Welcome to Getting Started with Qalyptus Desktop. In this video, we will see how to use Qalyptus Desktop to create and generate PowerPoint reports from a Qlik Sense application. Of course, you can use Qalyptus in the same way with QlikView applications. We will see the following. Create a connection to a Qlik Sense application. Create a destination to store reports. Create a PowerPoint template. Create and generate reports. This is the start screen. Here you can open or create a project. Let's create a new project. To begin, you need to create a connection to your Qlik Sense application. Click Create. Give a name to your connection. Choose Qlik Sense as a source. Enter the address of your Qlik Sense. Qalyptus can connect to Qlik Sense Server and Qlik Sense Desktop. Select your application from the list. If you want, set it by default. This will pre-select the connection when creating templates. Then click Save. The connection is now created. Qalyptus has retrieved all the objects, variables, and fields of the application. Now go to Destinations to create the location of the reports we will generate. Click Create. Give a name to your destination. Choose a directory in your machine. Click Save. Filters allow you to filter your application data before creating the reports. For demonstration purposes, we will not create a filter. Now let's see how to create a template using the Qlik Sense application data. You can create templates with Excel, Word, or PowerPoint. In our case, we will create a PowerPoint template. Give a name to your template. You can create a template from an empty file or from an existing template file. Click Open Template to create a template from scratch. As you can see, Qalyptus opened a PowerPoint file. Now let's add the Qlik Sense objects we want to use in our report. Select the connections you want to use. Here we have variables of the selected connections. In this example, we will add current year. Here we have sheets and objects of the selected connections. We will use the sheet KPI dashboard as image. The chart revenue by product as table. And all objects of the sheet sales analysis as image. Here you have all the selected objects and variables. To add an item to the PowerPoint file, just drag and drop it to the file. You can resize the images. Change the style of the variable. Now we will add the charts. Finally, add the table and change its style. Click Preview to preview the report. Here's the result. Now you save the work. Once we create the template, we will create reports and associate them to the template. We will create two reports, a single report and an iteration report. In the single report, the result is on file containing all available data. In the iteration report, the result is more than one file, and each file contains different data depending on iteration field. We start by creating a single report. Give a name to your report. Choose the template to use. Click Save. Now we will create an iteration report. We want the same report by region. To go fast, we will duplicate this report. Rename the report. Add the field Region as iteration field. Create a dynamic name in order to have a different name for each file. Different options are available. Click Save. To generate the reports, we will create a task. Enter a name for the task. Choose a destination. Add reports to generate and their format. Click Run to start generating the reports. The generation is now finished. The reports are created. Click Open to see result. Thank you for watching this video. We recommend you to continue with Qalyptus documentation website to learn more.